Under the shadow of border tensions, a new wave of patriotic spirit is rising in Jammu and Kashmir. Young men from border villages are pushing their limits, training hard with one mission in their mind: to wear the Indian Army uniform and defend the nation.
It's always men behind the machine that actually matters, and especially at a time when we are witnessing the hostile situation with the adversary along the line of control and the international border after the Pahalgam terror attack, when the India now wants to revenge from the adversary. Here in Jammu's Bishna area, the youth is getting trained to get into the Indian Armed Forces. They are being trained by a local coach who has been training them for last 2 decades, and they are undergoing the rigorous training. This is the rigorous training they are undergoing so that they can be capable enough and strong enough to tackle any challenges. These young boys from the remote areas of Jammu, they are getting the training and they are being trained rigorously round the clock on daily basis so that they can give adversary a befitting reply. This area is close to the Indo-Pakistan international border, but there the youth that is here, they have a different zeal to be within the Indian Army, and that's why this is what you are witnessing on ground, this kind of a training that they undergo. And they have their coach Jitendra Singh Chadak with me. Jitendra ji, भारतीय सेना में जाने के लिए पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल 100%, 100%। कब मर्जी भर्ती बोले, आज बोलो आज, कल बोलो कल, महीने बाद बोलो महीने बाद, हफ्ते बाद बोलो हफ्ते बाद, हम तैयार हो सर 24 घंटे।
हालात जिस तरह से सरहद पे बने हैं,
बिल्कुल सर, जब कभी मौका, हम तो चाहते हैं कि हमें भी कभी मौका मिले, मैं चाहता हूँ मुझे भी कभी मौका मिले देश सेवा करने का।
इस तरह की सिखलाई इन्हें दी जाती है
सर। A1 रेस में कभी भी, फिजिकल में कहीं भी 24 घंटे तैयार हैं, जहाँ मर्जी कोई भी आ जाए।
24 घंटे तैयार हैं, they are ready 24/7, and these are from the different sides, from the border areas. They are getting themselves trained and they are training themselves in such a condition that they can give adversary a befitting reply. I will speak to few of them. आप मुझे बताइए, भारतीय सेना में जाने के लिए तैयार हैं?
जी सर, ऑलवेज।
किस तरह की तैयारी?
सर औसम तैयारी हमारी, इस वक्त तैयारी हमारी पूरी चल रही है। ठीक,
जिस तरह से पहलगाम में आतंकी हमला हुआ, सरहद पर हालात बने हैं, पूरी तरह से तैयार?
जी सर, पूरी तरह तैयार।
कहीं इमरजेंसी रिक्रूटमेंट या कुछ होता है?
24/7
दुश्मन को जवाब देने की।
जी सर, always.
So this is actually the zeal that they have on the ground, and that actually makes the difference, because the countries may have the weapons, the countries may have the advanced weapon systems, but what actually makes the difference is the passion and the valor that these men have, because India has been writing the history to their raw courage. It is only the raw courage that matters the most, and now as we speak, as we see that the many stories are coming out from the different side, this message is very loud and clear. आपका नाम?
संजीव शर्मा।
जी, मुझे ये बताइए, तैयारियां कैसी?
ठीक चल रही हैं।
बॉर्डर पे जाना पड़े तो
जाएंगे।
तैयार हैं?
तैयार है।
दुश्मन को जवाब देंगे?
जवाब देंगे।
So actually the message from the ground is very loud and clear that these men, those who are from the border areas, from the remote areas of Jammu, they are making it every possible attempt that they are trained, and they are trained for the Indian Army. At a time when the country needs them, they are ready, and they are ready to give adversary a befitting reply. They are ready to pick up gun and go to the borders, and that is what makes the real India, the raw courage of these young men who are getting trained on daily basis.
From the last village on the line of control, the reality of living at the border is stark. Pakistan's posts and villages are visible to the naked eye, separated only by a riverbed and a fence. Yet, amid constant ceasefire violations, the people here stand tall, their homes fortified,